Hey guys, Jamie here. Today we're going to do a little bit of a twist. We got the Blackstone, we got an air fryer. We're doing chicken wings, and we're going to compare the two. I've never done chicken wings on the Blackstone. I've had a lot of requests to get the Blackstone out again, and I've had some people ask me about doing chicken wings on it. I've never done it. Why not? Let's try it. I've done it lots of times on the air fryer. I'm interested to see the difference, and I got Doug as my tester today. And yeah, so we got some chicken wings already prepared. The ones that are going in the air fryer, I put some virgin oil on them last night and had them soaking in that. I don't want them to stick because they're raw chicken and they're not already pre-cooked. The best wings that you'll ever make are always fresh. You can buy the frozen ones all you want at the grocery store and cook them up in a deep fryer or however you want to do them. They're not going to compare to anything fresh. These ones here, I did them up in some baking powder and some salt and pepper. Before I put anything on them last night, I actually took them out individually and I took as much moisture out of them as possible. So I wrapped them up in some paper towel before I actually put the baking powder on them. Because the thing with wings is you want to get as much moisture out of them as possible before you start cooking with them. Alright, so we're gonna add our 2 pounds to the air fryer. Try not to touch them right now because they're raw chicken. There, that's all I wanted to do, and I didn't have to use anything, utensils or hands. We're gonna set this for 45 minutes. The chicken wings on the Blackstone, guys, you gotta really stay on top of it. It's a lot of turning, a lot of looking, a lot of inspecting. Like this, the air fryer, like it's set it and forget it, the air fryer. You put your time in, away it goes. Anybody can use one of those. These guys here, you're constantly moving them because if you keep them in one spot too long, they will burn. So just keep moving them. You see a spot that it's not, yet cooked on, try to get it on that spot. Okay, so we're at the 10-minute mark. I've actually turned the heat down on it, and now I'm going to be putting the melting pot on it. Now, I'm trying to get them all in there if I can. Now, the reason why we're using the melting pot is because we want the inside of the chicken, the internal chicken parts, cooking now. The outside's cooking, but the inside's not cooking as fast as we like it. So, with the melting pot on there, it's going to create all that condensation underneath it. Lower heat, it's going to cook the inside of the chicken, which is really important. We're going to be looking for a temperature of targeting 165 Fahrenheit or 170, around there. Just giving these a quick flip. I want to keep using the melting pot to get that internal temperature up to where we want it. What do you think, Doug? Smell good?
It looks good and smells delicious.
You gotta know where your hot spots are too. Blackstone's really crucial where you know where it's hot and where it's not. You start cooking too fast, bring it down to the colder area, get it away from the hot area, or else you're just gonna burn. Keep moving around. You see some, like especially these guys here, thicker meat, you need to keep that in a hotter area because it's gotta cook. These little guys, they cook quicker. So, we're gonna do a quick temperature check to see where we're at. I got it already pre-programmed for 170 because that's our target. So, when you're doing a temperature check of any kind of meat whatsoever, try and find a bigger piece of meat to do your probe in. Don't use a smaller piece. You want to go for one of the bigger ones and get it in there, and don't hit bone either. You want to hit the thick part of the meat. 141. Oh, that's pretty good. It's getting there. I don't think it'd be too much longer, Doug, before we can actually take it off and finish off the outside. 144, 142. So we're doing well. Again, this is the first time I've ever done chicken wings on the Blackstone, so this is a learning process for me as well. You gotta get out there and try it, try a few different things. So we just did a quick check to the air fryer, 35 minutes, and I pulled one of the bigger ones out. I did a temperature check and we're sitting around 164. So these guys are almost done. I'm gonna roll them around for another minute or two, and then we're gonna pull them out and we're gonna try these guys. Doug's favorite, honey garlic.
Such a wuss. Looks good.
A little bit of cayenne and Scotch bonnet because I like a little bit of flame. Not a lot though, because that's really hot. And then a little bit of Frank's buffalo sauce. Buffalo wing sauce. Internal temperature is where we want it. It's sitting around the 165 to 167 range. I'm gonna turn the Blackstone up to high again, and now we're finishing off the outside skin. So, smooth them around. And start turning. Anywhere you see that it's not crispy enough, just turn them around.
All right, so Jamie's done all the heavy lifting as usual when it comes to cooking. Done a fantastic job. This stuff smells like unbelievable. Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision. So instead of having just a normal Blackstone video, which essentially that's what this is, but we thought we'd, actually Jamie thought we'd throw a twist in it and use an air fryer just to see what the difference in taste would be between the air fryer and the Blackstone. So, without further ado.
This here is the air fryer.
Air fryer's in the small bowls.
Yeah, we'll try the air fryer first.
So
they came off a few minutes ago.
Pretty damn good.
The only thing I don't like, and I'll be honest with you, I don't like chicken that just falls off the bone because this is chicken wings. This isn't back ribs, you know, where the meat, the meat's not supposed to like just drip and fall off the. You want to bite and you feel like you're eating a chicken wing. I don't like that part. Taste wise,
tastes good.
It tastes good. It was good taste.
Well, let's try the other one. Blackstone. Here we go.
Cheese right here.
Oh, I'm gonna have a drink. Don't worry. Many drinks. It's thicker, juicier. The air fryer, for some reason, it seems to take out the a lot of the juice in the wing, eh?
Yeah. So,
but
the Blackstone's definitely a lot juicier, a lot more taste, and I think that's because once that skin gets seared on the outside, I think it traps in all those juices in there.
And you can taste the crunchiness of that too, which is good.
Yeah, yeah. If I was doing them just one kind of sauce, I think I would put the sauce and I'd mix them in on the Blackstone and kind of mix them. And I know once you enter sauces on the Blackstone, it does gum up. That taste, that payoff in the end, I think.
Quite honestly, I would eat either, just because I like to eat. But you know, as a comparison, if you have the option, I would go Blackstone. If you don't have the option, there's nothing wrong with using an air fryer or a deep fryer for that matter.
There's two different scenarios here. The active fry, set it and forget it. It's easy. Like you can sit back, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, it's done.
Yeah.
The Blackstone requires a lot of attention when you're cooking the chicken wings on there. You can't just set it up. You got to keep moving.
Well, that's part of the fun of cooking on it, right?
Well, that's yeah. Like I mean, so if you enjoy cooking and you like to, you know, get involved with the cooking, and the payoff is huge because yes, you have a better tasting wing in the long run. I think. Yeah,
and the end result is better. I'm not just saying that because we're using the Blackstone predominantly for a lot of the cooking we do on the channel. It's a great tool, and doing wings on them is a fantastic idea.
Yeah. And like I say, you know what? Hit those sauces up on the grill when it's ready. I'm telling you, man.
Great job, buddy. I'm going to end this video now because I want to dig into this, and I'm going to have like sauce all over my beard and stuff like that.
I'm going to probably cook some more wings up because I still got more left.
There we go. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you can get yourself a Blackstone, I think they're fairly economical for what you're getting out of them. They're a fantastic tool, great for cooking, and Jamie can attest that, and I can too because I'm eating the stuff that Jamie's cooking when we do these kind of things. So thanks for watching. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're on Twitter. We do have a website, ptloutdoors.com. You want to add something?
I was just going to say, if you guys have any ideas and you want to see a Blackstone video, you want us to do something, hit us up in the comments and let us know.
Yeah, if you have something that you want Jamie to cook up on the Blackstone, put it in the comments and we'll give it a shot.
Awesome.
All right, take care, guys.
Thanks, buddy.